Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at which are the stocks that are buzzing in trade and how is the markets actually performing. So talking about the benchmark indices, when I look at the Sensex and the Nifty, both are trading almost flattish in trade. So Sensex is trading a bit with a negative bias as of now, is what I can see. Sensex down around 0.06% in trade, so trading around the 49,134 levels. Nifty trading with a positive bias slightly, it's trading in the green, up 0.1% in trade and trading around the 14,650 levels as of now this afternoon. On the other hand, we do have the broader markets which seem to be outperforming the benchmark indices, both the Nifty mid cap and the small cap up by more than 0.7% in trade. So surely some outperformance coming in on the broader market space as well. In terms of the stocks that have been buzzing on the Nifty, top Nifty gainers, Adani Ports up 9%, Tata Consumers, Asian Paints, UPL, JSW Steel are some of the other top gainers as well on the Nifty 50 index, while the top laggards are Grasim, which is one of the top laggards, while other than that we do have HCL Tech and Indices Bank, which is down almost more than 0.5% in trade today. So now let's look at the individual stocks that have been buzzing in trade. So we have Panacea Biotech, which is up by 20% in trade today, and there's a reason behind that is the Russian Direct Investment Fund and the company have agreed to produce 100 million doses per year of the Sputnik V vaccine in India. Now the production is going to be at the company's site to facilitate the global supply of Sputnik V vaccine. So interesting deal coming in for Panacea Biotech, and surely a good reason for the stock to see a 20% jump in trade today. Sobha, another stock that has been buzzing, and this is on the back of its Q4 update. So overall, this time's Q4 FY21 update, we have a whole host of companies, but Sobha is one of the better ones, where the company has said that this is the best ever quarter in the history of the company. Now overall, we're seeing the stock is up as much as 7% in trade, and that is on the back of a good Q4 update overall, where the sales volume is up by 48%, total sales value up by 54%, and the price realizations are also up by 5%. So good performance coming in, expected to come in for Sobha in Q4, and Morgan Stanley has also kept its overweight stance with a target price of 573 rupees per share for the company. Moving on to Ircon International, the stock is up as much as 1.6% in trade after the company's board has approved a 1:1 bonus issue for the company. So surely when this announcement had come of a bonus issue, that time the stock was buzzing, and now finally yesterday the company announced a 1:1 bonus issue. We're seeing the stock is also buzzing as much as 1.1 to 2% in trade. Adani Ports, like I mentioned, one of the top Nifty gainers, up 9% in trade after its Q4 update, where we're seeing that the March cargo volumes are up by 41% on a year-on-year basis and have come in at 26 metric million tons, and this is up by 23% on a month-on-month basis as well. So good recovery sequentially as well as on a year-on-year basis, a good performance both sequentially as well as on a year-on-year basis, while overall the cargo volumes for Q4 are at 73 metric million tons, which is up 27%. So that was March cargo volumes, and now this is Q4 cargo volumes. So overall a good performance coming in from Adani Ports as well. JSPL is another stock that has been buzzing in trade. Today it's up as much as 2% after the Q4 production crosses the 2.07 million tons mark, and this is the record highest annual production of 7.51 million tons in FY21 as well, which is up 19% YOY. So good reason for the stock to buzz in trade as well. Now other than that, yes, we are seeing some pressure building in on Inox Leisures, where the stock is down as much as 1% in trade if you look at it as of now, and that is mainly that we're seeing that the company's board is to meet today also to talk about the fundraising plans via public issue, right issue, or private placement as well. And obviously other than that, we'll be seeing some pressure building in because of the closure in Maharashtra theatres as well. So some slight negative bias on the stock today that we're seeing, and it's down as much as 1% in trade.